Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It's me again. Now, have you ever used a French press coffee maker? A French press coffee maker. Now, if the answer is no, well, guess what? You are not alone because this is my very first time that I am going to experiment using a French press coffee maker. So stand by with me as we go through this step by step, and we shall see. Now, I went to YouTube University last night and I was viewing a little couple minutes video of how to use a French press coffee maker. So I am following the steps. They said to put in your coffee, add water, hot water of course, and let it sit. I am going to let this sit for like maybe 30 seconds. I think that's the most I let this thing sit for. So let's see. Okay, guys, at this point, we are getting ready to put our cover and press this thing and see what happened. Okay. All right, let's go down on this. Okay, so let's pour our coffee. See what happened with this cup of coffee. I hope it worked. The try at least. You know, I really, really enjoy a good cup of coffee. I'm not that coffee tech or savvy, you know, because there are people that are really, really, really serious on their cup of coffee, honey. Okay? They are really coffee making is serious business to them. You know, but all I need is a decent cup of coffee. That's all I need. All I need is my coffee to taste decent. That's all I'm asking for. A decent cup of coffee. So let's see this. Wow. Well, at least I get a nice, good, enough, a nice, good cup of coffee. Now, the taste is really what will determine the grade that I give this cup of coffee or this French maker, this French press maker. We had a little cream for coffee. It smells so, so good though. The smell is the bomb. Guys, you see this little creamer holder here I got? It's fabulous. I just love it. The little cover just open up automatically. And here we go. My French press cup of coffee for the first time using a French press coffee maker. And well, I give it a 7. I needed more coffee. Well, guys, thank you for experimenting with me. Give it a like, thumbs up. You know what you got to do. Ciao.